Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today I am so pumped to talk about the Luminar Photo Camp. There's a link down below, and I'll also show you here on the screen what's happening, but the ICELAND team has put together another Luminar Photo Camp. 2 years ago, they had a camp in Iceland, and they're doing it again in Iceland this fall. Again, all the details are down below at the link, and this is what the website looks like. There is an early bird special to get you $500 off the cost of the camp. But in essence, it's going to be October 31st to November 7th. We're going to meet in Reykjavik. We're going to travel around, take a ton of photos, talk about photography all day. I'm inspired. Just thinking about it, I'm so fired up. I'm already mentally packing. I know I'm getting way ahead of myself because we got a little ways to go before October gets here, but it's going to be amazing. Some of the masters that are included: Albert Dross, Yuri Belagursky, Serge Romali. These three guys are fantastic and amazing. They were there last time. I had so much fun. I learned a lot, and frankly, it's just a fantastic time hanging out with people like this and all the folks that are in the camp. There are going to be 40 folks in the camp this time. It's just going to be so much fun hanging out with like-minded photographers. We're going to talk about photography, literally breakfast all day, lunch all afternoon, dinner into the evening. I mean, it's just a photography feast. It is a buffet for the senses, just hanging out with all these photographers and being in Iceland where you get to go take all these amazing photos. So I'm going to be there as well. We're going to do just lots of different photo opportunities in terms of being out shooting, but also things at night like lectures or editing tutorials or walkthroughs or demos, things like that. We're going to do all those kind of things. Last time was an amazing time, and it's going to be an amazing trip again. In fact, there's testimonials from the last folks, and you can even see the agenda here where you meet in Reykjavik, and each of these is clickable so you can kind of get into them. We're going to hit the south coast, hit some of those amazing waterfalls. We're going to do that glacier lagoon where, oh my God, that place is insane. We're going to hit an ice cave. I'm going to show you some of my pictures here in a second. Vesterhorn, which is just fantastic. And Vik Village and the church and the coastline there. And then an editing party in Reykjavik. It's going to be so much fun. I'm excited about it. Again, the link is down below if you want to check it out. And some of the viewers here on the channel were at the last camp. Hope to see you guys again. And I hope to meet a lot of new people as well. And I thought what I'd do is share with you a few of the photos that I took the last time I was there, just to give you an idea of what we're going to see. This is a view of Reykjavik from the top of the big church there. This is Sun Voyager, a sculpture in downtown Reykjavik. I mean, just look at the beautiful scenery. You got the ocean there. You got that mountain with, shrouded in clouds, a little bit of a city in the background. Here's a straight shot towards that church, just down this beautiful street, because yes, I love to shoot streets. Even though I'm in Iceland where I'm there to shoot landscapes, I still took an opportunity to get out and shoot some of the streets. Here's Seljalandsfoss. I'm going to totally butcher all these Icelandic names, so let me apologize in advance. But Seljalandsfoss or something like that. Fantastic waterfall, and if weather permits, you can actually walk behind it. You can see some people were doing that here. Here's another shot of it, and then here's Skagafoss, another massive waterfall along the southern coast, and this was just so much fun, just shooting these amazing waterfalls. Black Sand Beach, you could just get all these amazing locations. There's some of the previous campers lined up, taking shots of these sea stacks that are out here on the coast. That's Vik Village with those same sea stacks in the distance. That's a famous little church there, which you get up on a hill. We took some shots. There were people flying their drone. I mean, honestly, pack your stuff. We're going. It's going to be so much fun. Here's the Glacier Lagoon. In fact, that's a partial pano taken with my iPhone, edited in Luminar, of course. And I mean, you're just going to see things like that. And the Diamond Beach, we got this amazing sunrise. You're doing these long exposures. You have these beautiful ice chunks just laying on the beach like that. And we were just so happy. And then we go to an ice cave. We caught an amazing sunrise in this ice cave, as you can see. I mean, we're literally standing underneath a glacier. The sun cranked through the clouds. We've got this beautiful shot here. Light up above, light coming through. This is us on top of the glacier. After I did sunrise down below, went up on top. That's Serge Romali. He posed for me, let me take his photo out over this valley with the sunrise in the distance. I mean, honestly, we're taking so many amazing photos. Here's another place real close to that ice cave. We just hiked over there. This gentleman climbed up there and just posed for us and did different things. And we were firing away, super happy. And that's Vesterhorn. well-known mountain range there in the, I guess, the southeast of Iceland, if I remember correctly. Anyway, we're going to go there as well and just take photos, and it's going to be amazing. Here's more long exposure from Vesterhorn. Here's one of the campers posing in a red jacket. I was like, stay still. Me and Serge were sitting here taking photos with her and that. And that's what you're going to feel like after a week of hanging out with a bunch of people in Iceland, taking photos of Iceland. It's going to be amazing. I'm really excited to join the Skyloom team again and be a part of this. I'm really honored that they asked me to come back. And mostly, I'm really looking forward to hanging out with you folks in Iceland and taking a whole lot of photos and talking about photography pretty much nonstop for a week. So get some caffeine. We're going to be awake a lot. We're going to be doing a lot. But as you can read on the website, it's not super strenuous. It's not like you're climbing mountains or anything like that. So the activity level, it's busy, but it's not strenuous. So I wanted to point that out. If you have questions about how the camp was last time, leave them down below. There is an FAQ on their website. Feel free to click through and check that out. That should answer the majority of your questions. Thanks for watching, but mostly I'm looking forward to seeing you there and sharing the fun and the beauty of photography in Iceland with you all. Thanks, my friends. I will be talking to you soon. I'll be back with another Luminar video. You guys take care. Hope to see you in Iceland. And until then, my friends, adios.